India Against Corruption seems to have ignored Anna Hazare's diktat. Now IAC posters in various parts of Uttar Pradesh display Anna Hazare's pictures very much in opposition to what he had asked for.
That's right. This comes after the social activist has made it clear that his pictures and his name should not be used in any political activities by India Against Corruption.
मैं किसी पक्ष पार्टी में नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा। आप लोगों को लड़ना है, लड़िए। चुनाव के टाइम पर मैं प्रचार करने के लिए नहीं जाऊंगा। इतना ही नहीं, मेरा फोटो नहीं यूज करना, मेरा नाम यूज नहीं करना। आपके हिम्मत पर जो कुछ करना कर लो, तो मुझे वो पसंद नहीं।
The posters of India Against Corruption that have been put up in various parts of Uttar Pradesh feature Anna Hazare's photograph. This despite an earlier instruction that was given by Anna Hazare that his posters or his name should not be used in any of the political activities of India Against Corruption. Pooja Shali now joins us on the phone line. Pooja, Anna Hazare's pictures .IAC posters in various parts of Uttar Pradesh, despite his statement earlier that his name or his pictures should not be used for any of the political activities of IAC. How is IAC reacting to this?
Well, at present, IAC is clearly very silent on the issue also because they are yet to, in fact, they're on their way to their main destination of the rally, which is Farrukhabad, and perhaps that is when the questions will be directly put to them about how did this happen is when Arvind Kejriwal and other members will react. But clearly, at this juncture, the main question arises is, did IAC team knew about the fact that such posters could be used? In fact, was there any sort of a permission given for these posters? Because we know very significantly Anna Hazare had very categorically stated when Arvind had parted ways to form a party that in no way should be any photographs or posters or any banner with Anna Hazare's name be used for support. So clearly, were these supporters using Anna Hazare's photographs to, in fact, for a mass appeal for this rally, or perhaps were there some IAC, of course, coordinators who did not know about these issues? Some of course significant facts here that need to be put to IAC, but at present they are maintaining completely the tight-lipped over the issue, and perhaps in Farrukhabad, where they're planning to finally reach the destination and of course hold a rally against Khurshid Trust and alleged forgery of funds against specially abled people. So that is when perhaps Arvind Kejriwal is likely to make a statement. Back to you.